Hi, just to introduce one of the McAlpine appliance traps which are available, and most of you will know we do plenty of them. We supply major kitchen manufacturers and also merchants with these traps. They come in a wide and varied form. The one I'm showing you is the WM11 today, complete with 2 nozzles, one for dishwasher, one for washing machine, or one for dishwasher, one for washing machine. Inside it has a manifold within the inlet stock taking the nozzles, so that one, when it's discharging, doesn't discharge into the other hose of the other appliance. It's got a complete adjustability within the stock, so heights can be maintained and catch up with probably pipe it's in place in the first place. It's a 75mm water seal. The outlet will take ABS, MUPVC or polypropylene waste pipe. Another one we've got within the range is an SS Inlet 1. Now what this allows you to do is to utilise the space under the kitchen sink, which is normally crammed with various bits and bobs from soap powder, washing powder, etc, etc. This is quite easily put together and can be used with any of the McAlpine kits. And what it does, it takes you from the sink waste grating directly right back to the back wall, utilising, as I've said, the area under the sink shelf. And that's the SS Inlet 1 with the WM11 appliance waste. Thank you.